Wherever
You go, I go.
we are
YGIG.
Good evening, everyone! Hello po, I am YGIG, Meg. Hello everyone, I'm YGIG, Yan. Good evening everyone, I'm YGIG, Jewel.
Hi everyone, I am YGIG Hazeline.
Hello po sa inyo lahat, and annyeonghaseyo. We are YGIG, which means You Go, I Go, and we debuted on November 2022 under SB Town. Please give us lots of love and support po.
Yes, and you can check us out on our social media at YGIG_official po. Please give us lots of love. Thank you. Yes, and I hope you enjoy our performance.
Yes, and of course, before we move on to our next performance, we'd like to thank Philcor for giving us another opportunity to perform here. We're always very honored to be able to perform for Philcor. Thank you so much.
Yes, and before we start our next and last performance, let us grab our props first.
Yes, we have props.
Yes. So, let's go?
Yes.
Let's go! Hope you guys enjoy!